Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we're going to continue in our method book with line 5, down and up on the baritone. So let's go through and see what we have. We start out with our bass clef, and then we have our time signature. We are in 4/4 time, so the top number tells us how many beats are in each measure, in this case 4. The bottom number gives us the value of the whole note or whole rest. So we're going to hold each whole note for 4 beats, and then the whole rests are 4 beats of rest. So let's go through and see what we have. We start with a 4th line F, and that is open. And we use fast air for that. Then while we are holding that and while we are resting in the next measure, we look ahead to see that we have an E flat on the 3rd space, and that is the first valve all the way down. And we know that it's an E flat because it's on the 3rd space, which is E, and the flat sign precedes it. So that just helps us remember to play E flat. Then while we're holding that note and while we're resting in the next measure, we look ahead to the next line. We have a 3rd line D, which is 1st and 2nd valve. Then while we're holding that, we look ahead. We also look ahead while we're resting in the next measure. And then we see we go back up to the 3rd space E flat, 1st valve. Then we have one more measure of rest, and then we end up on the same note we started on, which is the 4th line F. So I'm going to play through this. You can play along with me, or you can listen and then roll it back and then play with me the second time through. I have a metronome set for 84 beats per minute, and let's go through this. 1, 2, ready. Look ahead and change. Next line, change. Going back up. And last measure. And that is it for line 5 on the baritone, down and up. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.